I think I've had some sort of epiphany. I always thought of the video like that. I've had an epiphany, but it's not really an epiphany. It's sort of like a rediscovery. So today I traded, lost a lot though, but that's not the point. The point is, I woke up and I honestly just had nothing to do. And by nothing to do, I mean I had nothing to do that I haven't already done that would improve me. So like exercise, meditate, all that stuff. I guess a part of me is maybe looking for an activity that's like that yields results, but then that also keeps me busy, but then yields significant results other than what I'm doing. So like you can imagine that maybe you own a real estate property that's worth 15 million and you're getting 50 grand a month from it, and but you bought all the $15 million properties. Now you're asking yourself, okay, what else can I get? And then the only properties available only yield like a fraction of like what you're getting, not even enough to the point where you could make anything, where you'd have any lifestyle changes. So if we could draw upon that analogy, the real estate would essentially be the activity. So you're doing activities that already yield results. So now you're just looking for more activities that can yield even more results to keep yourself busy. But there just aren't any available. So it's a question of like, okay, if that's the case, then what do I do? Like, what do I do? Like, how do I spend my time? And it becomes very complicated in some sense. Because you acknowledge the fact that, okay, there's nothing to do, so like, what should I do, right? I guess the answer I'm drawn to is just enjoy life. The problem is enjoying life means watching TV, which you can imagine is quite boring because you've watched all the entertaining shows, or maybe you're too lazy to find new ones. But yeah, in all honesty, you just start to realize that there's just nothing to do. There's really nothing to do, nothing exciting. Along with nothing exciting, nothing productive, or nothing that's more productive than what you're already doing. The problem is productive tasks take like, what, 20 minutes to an hour of your day, while with each activity. And you can imagine that you only need a few, so like, the maximum you could work for is like 4 hours a day, but on lighter days it would be like what, a total 2 hours or 1 hour. And then we have to take into account whether there's a lot of junk volume there. Yeah. Life gets really boring. I'll say that much. But there's not much to say beyond that. It's just a matter of like living it. I think life operates in seasons or cycles, so they're like boring cycles where you're not doing much, and then there's cycles where you're doing a whole lot. So I guess I'm in one of those cycles where it's just a matter of just chilling. But yeah, maybe it's centered around how much opportunities are presented to you, how many opportunities are presented to you. That could be the case. Perhaps I just need to analyze the chessboard and see what there is to do. Maybe I'm missing some things.